Some transitional ideas. This one here starts as a 3v2 towards goal, and then as soon as the ball is finished it becomes a 4v3 going the other way. So you've got to defend, you've got to attack. Both teams have to attack with an overload and defend against an overload as well. And you can put different variations on how the restarts, where it finishes. So in this one here you can see 3v2 towards goal. You want to encourage that attack to finish in about 6 seconds or less, and then really quick transitions into the 4v3. Encourage the players to get ahead of the ball, and then encourage the players to transition again. You can see here a lot of work to be done, and it builds really good habits. Allows players to drive on the ball as well, and then if the space is taken away to drive into, then they have to problem solve, and they should be within range to shoot on goal as well. So it's not just about running, it's not just about dribbling. This game can create different pictures, finishing. Players typically enjoy it because it puts them in front of goal. This one's a little bit different, conditions are different, but again, this is just an example that you can bring out certain principles that you want in your transitioning. Getting those numbers in the box, getting those numbers ahead of the goal, driving at players, finishing. Movement in the final third. These would be short sets, 90 seconds, 2 minutes, keeping it as sharp as possible. And always encouraging, especially positionally encouraging your centre forwards to get in front of the goal and finish, and give the player on the ball as many opportunities. This is a great transition again defensively, so it's not just about attacking, it's about getting back and working for each other as well. Quick restarts from servers or coaches, and the faster the game goes, the more these players have to be challenged to play as quick as they can, which they enjoy. And again, there's another piece of great defending that we always try and highlight. When players go above and beyond, stops it on the goal line, gets out of the net, sprints to the other end, and almost finishes it. So you want to highlight that there as well when we're reviewing it. Another idea is just, this would be more transitionally to solve it defensively. So it's a 2v2 with zones, 2 defenders underneath. Now they have to solve it. They try to score through the mini goals initially, so the initial transition isn't on, comes back, and now they have to solve it through possession. So different types of positional or transitional games can challenge players in different ways. This one here starts 6v6. There's a 1v1 field, and when the coach shouts out the number of the player, the players have to sprint in and play 1v1 against each other. The other teams deal with the underloads, and it just adds a different picture. The 1v1 defending adds a different picture to a game, and it challenges players to communicate as well. This next game is transition in a 1v1 wide area, so more your 7 and 11s defending against fullbacks, just challenging that there and working on that there after a shot. Really hard work physically. And then this is just a basic one. 4 teams of 2. You attack, you defend, you recover. Attack, defend, recover. Again, short, basic, but builds certain principles in there.